Hello, this is Martin from Ashbys. We have a fully reconditioned 250 psi Ninja with a built-in heater which goes up to 60 degrees in the tank, in the solution tank. It's been fully reconditioned, fully serviced and is ready for sale. It's a very nice lightweight machine, this one, very reliable. Ideal if you're looking for something with a bit of power but still super lightweight, so you could move it upstairs if you needed to. And is offered complete with a 3-month warranty. We can always put tools and hoses with it as well if you need tools and hoses, or it's a good backup machine. If you're just looking for a lightweight backup machine, maybe you've got a heavier machine or you have a truck mount. But here, yep, it's ready. And give us a call if you would like to purchase it.